Companies across every industry are trying to figure out how to make their operations faster and cheaper. They have massive data sets, repetitive tasks, and sluggish workflows, but they don't necessarily need more software engineers to fix them. They need implementers, people who can deploy AI tools to get these complex systems snapping into place and running efficiently. Over the next 12 months, we are going to map out the exact steps you need to take to build a career in AI automation, starting entirely from scratch. You do not need a computer science degree to do this. The most valuable traits here are the curiosity to test new tools and the consistency to practice your workflows every single day. That means ignoring the advertisements promising to make you an AI expert in 7 days. Real skill development requires a realistic, steady timeline. Grab a spreadsheet or a blank calendar. We are going to build your schedule week by week, and you will need a place to track your progress alongside this video. Spacing this curriculum over a full year ensures you actually absorb the technical mechanics. It keeps you safe from burnout while guaranteeing you have real market value at the end of the process. For months 1 and 2, your focus is entirely on communication. You will study how these large language models process information and practice writing highly structured, detailed prompts to get exact outputs. You must test these prompts across ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. Relying on a single tool limits your understanding of how different models interpret instructions. In months 3 through 6, we move from text generation to data and logic. This is where you learn to handle the actual information businesses run on. Look at this timeline map. In month 3, focus shifts to data cleaning and visual reporting. By month 5, you wire these tools together using no-code connectors. A system extracts a spreadsheet row, runs it through an AI summarizer, and automatically drafts an email. To build these bridges effectively, you have to understand the business terrain. If you don't know how marketing pipelines or finance operations work, you won't know what tasks actually need automating. By mastering these concepts in month 6, you transition from someone who passively types questions into a chatbot to an architect who designs automated business systems. Months 7 and 8 introduce formal programming. No-code tools are incredibly useful, but eventually you will hit a limit where a pre-built connector simply doesn't exist. To bridge those gaps, you will learn the basics of Python and how to structure data in JSON and how to use APIs and webhooks to force different software applications to talk to each other directly. Your code will break. You will encounter error messages that make no sense at first. Diagnosing and fixing those failures is a mandatory step in mastering system logic. For months 9 and 10, you apply your new programming skills to build multi-agent systems. Instead of giving one AI a massive list of instructions, you assign specialized roles to different models. A central manager delegated research to one agent, data formatting to a second, and drafting to a third. They collaborate and report back. To build these delegated workflows, you will train on development frameworks like LangChain, CrewAI, and AutoGen. Combining standard AI agents with custom Python scripts removes the guardrails of no-code platforms. You gain the ability to scale your workflows to handle practically any technical problem a company throws at you. When month 11 arrives, you stop watching tutorials. Your sole directive is to use what you've learned to build 3 to 5 fully functional applications. These projects need to solve real-world problems. You might build an AI resume analyzer that scores applicants for an HR department, or an automated sales lead bot that qualifies prospects right inside a company's messaging dashboard. Do not fall into the trap of simply accumulating online certificates, or worse, copying a project step by step from a video without grasping the underlying logic. Employers test for comprehension, not completion. Finally, month 12 is dedicated to packaging your work. You will compile your functional applications into a public online portfolio. This requires a properly optimized LinkedIn profile to share your results, and a personal website hosting your projects, and an active GitHub account with clear documentation explaining exactly how your code works. In the automation sector, companies hire based on proof of execution. A public portfolio demonstrating that you can build working systems carries far more weight than a standard academic credential. Looking at the completed 12-month timeline, you can see the total progression. We've mapped out 4 distinct phases: mastering the foundations of prompting, wiring no-code tools, injecting Python logic, and deploying finished projects. But technical ability alone won't land the job. You must develop the communication and presentation skills required to explain these complex automated systems to non-technical business leaders. That is the barrier separating entry-level technicians from highly paid consultants. The corporate landscape is shifting quickly. Artificial intelligence itself will not replace human workers. However, professionals who know how to effectively leverage AI systems will systematically replace those who refuse to adapt. Stop waiting for the perfect introductory course to begin. Open a large language model today and write your very first prompt. This roadmap gives you the exact sequence of skills to learn. Committing to that daily practice is what turns this 12-month plan into a tangible, lucrative career.